Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I want to go over how to be successful on Deliveroo's new updated platform. Now it still looks pretty similar. It goes by Partner Hub now, but I just got a notification yesterday that they've rebuilt and rebranded, so I wanted to take this time to go through it with you guys and see if there isn't some improvements to the platform since the last video. So they do have short training videos available, which is nice, and other marketing offers, but let's go. So we've gone over the scoring program before. This is good. As you can see, we're hitting all OKs with a 4.8 rating. Let's see if they made any changes to scores. And again, this is updated every week, or maybe not every week, every month. You can register for price markup. There's now a breakdown for service performance. This is really nice. It wasn't as in-depth before. So you have percent of rejected orders and why they were rejected, canceled orders, so now it's not all together, late orders, inaccurate orders, refunds. These are all really good that we have 0 right here. It's nice that you're going to be able to see what happened. And refunds a lot easier. Beforehand, you had to kind of dig around within orders to see when refunds happen. So this is going to be really nice. Again, the value program. It doesn't look like they've changed anything, but we want to be in the great zone so you can be within Deliveroo choice, which means 0% price markup with that above 4.5 rating. So that's something we would want to do personally, is get our price markup in there. Let's look at ratings and reviews. This is still pretty similar. This could actually use a little revamp, actually. So we have a lot more than just 12 reviews, but they definitely weren't within the last week. Let's check out new benefits, right? They have oil service, they have packaging. So oil will be new for us. We'll check out to see if they've brought in any new packages, or yeah, packaging. They've rebranded their rider kits, so if you are a delivery driver or you have a team of drivers, they now have new backpacks. Those actually look really nice. And they have more samples available now. And more tape, the sealing tape to put on bags. People feel more secure with their food and drink when it's secured. Let's check out marketer. They've added free delivery on a minimum spend. Let's add this in. That's nice. Nice and fluid still. You still have to click join on Tasty Thursday. All in all, though, it doesn't look like there's too many huge changes other than it's mostly this main dashboard. So it's broken down much better than before. And when it comes down to looking at your canceled and inaccurate orders, it's going to be a lot easier on you to see if you need some staff retrainings or not, because people keep missing items. You're going to have to do some retraining. If someone missed a substitution, then you just want to address that with them. Let's check out what they mention on refunds and inaccurate orders. I really like that they have more of a knowledge base built into this now. When we joined, it was not like this, and it was a little bit tough to figure out. More details on refunds. That's really nice. They got screenshots in here now. You don't have to hunt for things anymore. But that's about it. The biggest thing with this is getting used to the new dashboard and really pay attention to these metrics down here if you're going to be successful. Take all the metrics it's going to present to you if you have something inaccurate and really improve yourself so you can get better ratings and better reviews. So Deliveroo favors you better, because remember from my last video, if you bump down to improve an action too many times, you will start losing visibility quickly within the platform.